Make something that makes something. What an amazing idea for a jam. This year in ProcJam 2021, I created a simple program that can generate an infinite number of complicated, massive, towering mansions. In this small video, I will tell you how. Hi everyone, it's your Fadrik and welcome back to another devlog. Today's devlog is simple and the algorithm and the program is fairly small. Because I did only have around 24 hours to work on it, but I'm in love with the results. This time I started with coding instead of doing the art. I wanted to make sure I guess if it works first, so the main thing in this project that it's built on a 2D grid, which I move on from down to top, generating the house by naming each index or cell as a building block or a roof of this kind and so on. Then I forward this array to another class that will go cell by cell and draw the whole mansion, and that's it. As I said, it's pretty simple. Now let's dive deeper on how the mansion is generated. I have 3 steps process. First, I go to the first floor and put building blocks in a 50% chance filling the first floor cells. Next, I start going up floor by floor. In each empty cell, I will check does that cell have an empty block under it. If yes, then I'll do another 50% chance and add a building block there. Then, if the building block now in place, meaning the 50% passed, then I do another chance by adding a block to the left of it and a block to the right of it, which was 35 chance each, because I wanted the mansion to go bigger as I go higher. And that is simply following the last 2 steps, floor by floor, cell by cell, until I reach the floor where I can't place any more building blocks or I reach the height limit. After generating the skeleton of the mansion, all you have to do now is go around and add all the other blocks. Like for example the roof block. We check if the cell has under it a building block, we put one there. If nothing on the left, we choose the left roof block, and if nothing on the right, we do the same. And if there's 2 roof blocks like on the left on the right, we add the middle roof block. The same algorithm goes for adding the down railing, but checking if the top cell is a building block instead of the down cell. After I have started getting an amazing result, it was time to go in and do some art. I have decided to go with 32 by 32 pixel art style with 4 colors palette. It turns out really lovely, and I created blocks and then went on a spree in creating as much detailed pieces as I could, from windows to flag to plants to everything. With 6 hours left till submission, I went in and let every block choose a random piece of detail or art with a 50% chance to not overpopulate the whole mansion. Now, the mansion looks amazing. So many details and a lot of random shapes here and there. What I had left is just adding the camera system, which awkwardly took me around 3 hours for some reason. Maybe because I was tired on one hand, and on the other hand, it has really annoyingly tricky mouse. But in the end, it worked. I've added a simple zoom and move system and let the camera always display the whole mansion. And yeah, that's it. As I said, it's really simple. I've added some UI, my social media links, and boom, we have a project ready to publish. I wanted for so long to create this kind of project, and I just took the chance, the first chance I got to just complete it. What do you think of this project? Do you like it? And what other modifications we could add to it? Let me know in the comments down below and let's have some fun. Make sure to play it, links in the description, and I'll make sure to post the code on my Patreon page. So, if you want to support the channel and get some cool stuff in return, that's the best place to start with. And also don't forget to check and play my games over on itch.io page. And in the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next adventure.